Hi, I'm Guy Cordell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. We're here to talk about the X-Scrub Pro and how this versatile machine can be a total solution for any type of hard surface that you have. The X-Scrub Pro is designed with a custodian in mind. It's got over 20 different brush and pad options for any kind of hard surface that you have. It's a cordless machine with no computer boards. It's very versatile, meaning that you can store it in a closet, transport it in a car or truck. Very easy to handle. Anybody could use it. If you're thinking about using a dirty conventional mop and bucket, you're just spreading the dirt around over the surfaces and baseboards. You're not actually removing the soil and getting it out of the facility. We're able to get in those spaces by putting fresh water down, scrubbing that surface, sucking up the soil, removing it from the facility. We want to remove the soil, not move the soil. It's very easy to dump out the dirty water. So you take the dirty water, we're gonna dump that into a commode, we're gonna dump that into a drain of any sort, rinse it out, and it's ready to go for the next use. The X-Scrub Pro is in stock and ready to ship today. Fill out the form or call us today. We'd love the opportunity to give you a demo.